How to add debit card to iPad. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is to simply make sure that you already log in your Apple ID on your iPad, in which it is also the same process on how we can start adding a debit card using our iPhone, since they only have both the same interface in here. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your iPad and go to the settings option. Then you will be directed on this page and it will show you the overview of your Apple ID account in here. And if you try to click on it, you should be directed on the right side panel right there. And after that, just click this payment and shipping option. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to simply choose here the add payment method, since you can see here some of the payment method that you already selected. By clicking this button, all you need to do is simply enter here all of your card details, including to select either credit or debit card, and enter here the number, expiration date, and CVV of your card details. Or you can use this camera to scan your credit card instead of entering here manually. So basically, it is the same process on how we can start adding the payment method or debit card using our iPhone with the same interface and settings like this one. And overall, that is just basically how you can add debit card to iPad.